I don't know how to love him, what to do, how to move him. I've been changed, yes, really changed. And this past few days, when I see myself, I feel like someone else. I don't know how to take this. I don't see why he moves me. He's a man. He's just a man. And I have so many men before, and very many ways. It's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I scream and shout? Should I speak up loud? Let my feelings out. I never can come to this. What it's all about. Don't you think it's rather funny? I should be in this. I'm the one who's always been so calm, so cool. No lover's fool, running every show. It scares me so. I never thought I'd come to this. What is all about? Yep, if he said he loved me, I'll do this, I'll be fine. I just couldn't. I turn my head, I back away. I want to know if coming so. I want him so. I love him so.